disassembly holder. Align both the absorbers on the octa. Rotate the wheel slowly to disassemble the octa. Lift and release the absorber. Take out the device from disassembly holder jig. Disassemble the LCD connector cover from the bracket and disconnect the LCD connector from the PBA. Remove the bracket tape. Remove the touch key top tapes. Remove the window tapes. Loosen 17 screws from the bracket. Disassemble the SIM or SD card socket using eJack pin. Disassemble the bracket from the rear case. Loosen 2 screws from the PBA. Disconnect the connectors from the PBA. Disassemble the PBA from the bracket. Loosen 3 screws from the speaker. Disassemble the speaker from the bracket. Put ethyl alcohol between the battery and bracket with clean cotton swab. Please note, use small amount of alcohol while detaching the battery. Maximum amount of alcohol to be used is 0.5 ml. Wait for 1 minute after applying alcohol for enough absorption. Fix disassembly vacuum on the battery and pull to detach. Please note, do not use any sharp tool like disassembly stick, knife or tweezers during detaching the battery. Remove the battery tape and clean residues. So this is how we can disassemble Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for